Alright, let's see what we have here. Bitcoin chart, this is the daily, this is what it looks like. Let's actually start from the weekly. Think about how many people were getting overly bullish at 72,000 and at the same time also overly bearish when we were at 60,000 or 59,000. If you look at it from the weekly perspective, we're still in a bullish uptrend. There's absolutely no reason to be bearish yet. We have higher highs, higher lows. We're in an uptrend, and all we're doing here is just ranging, trading sideways the way we did over here in December and January, the way we did over here back in May and June of last year, right in the summer when we were in that $26,000 to $31,000 range. So pretty much the same thing going on over here. No reason to get overly bullish or bearish. Just trade the range, right? And that's exactly what I've been trying to do. So if we just zoom into the daily now, everybody who knows or is familiar with the way I trade, they know that when it comes to ranges, I absolutely love using the volume profile. So I'm just going to pull that up over here. Last week, price traded all the way down to the $60,000 level. This was range lows. You notice that this area right here, that's about range high, right? So the $72,000 mark, it's going to change up and down. The reason why I'm using a box instead of a line is because depending on who's drawing it, or even myself, it changes every now and then. So it's more like a zone, and you use it to kind of ask yourself, okay, am I looking to go long here or short here? And if you're trading a range, then whenever you approach the area of range highs, you're looking for short positions. Whenever you approach the area of range lows, now your bias is going to flip long, and you're going to continue to do this until the range breaks, in which case then you would look to trade the breakout, maybe a retest, for example. So over here, to end last week, we hit $60,000, which was actually my third TP from my short from up here from last week. And then we just kind of went sideways below the valley area low. And I mentioned that I was looking for a long if we could reclaim this valley area low. So the $64,000 level, that reclaim was going to be absolutely key to me. So on Friday, April 19th, we actually got that, though on not the daily time frame, but we did on the 4-hour time frame. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this at the $64,000 level. Oops. It's the valley area low at the $64,000 level, right there. And you see, this was basically what we had. This was on Friday. We closed up above it with quite a bit of strength, and I put out that this was the long entry that I was looking at. This one right here. So basically, a retest of that valley area low in this series of red candles over here. Before that, before we got the engulfing. With my stops just about range lows and my target at range highs, right? My first target, which hit a couple of hours ago, is the point of control right here. Actually, it did yesterday. The point of control, right? So if we reclaim the valley area low, first take profit is always going to be the point of control. So we hit it 66.9. Now, my stops have been moved, actually, to $62,000 level. That happened right when my first take profit was hit. So now the trade kind of looks like this. I don't want to see the valley area lost again. If we do, we're probably going to take out these lows over here and potentially even that $59,000 low. I personally want to see a reclaim of that point of control, maybe a retest of it. I can probably look to compound my longs over here, or maybe take a scalp, and then back to the valley area high and the range highs. Oops, it's not right. Right there. Right, so that's kind of what I'm looking for. So for now, I'm just sitting tight. I'm letting the range play out. I'm just playing this rotation back up, and we'll see what we get.